Crypto's firing on all cylinders again this week. I'm Corbin Fraser, bringing you the most important highlights from the crypto and Bitcoin universe, from Bitcoin flirting with the $100,000 milestone to the nation-state Bitcoin reserve game theory, which has been heating up across the globe, from altcoins and Bitcoin volcanoes to cutting-edge innovations shaping the Bitcoin and cryptoverse. We've got a whole bunch to cover. But first, another huge announcement here from Bitcoin.com, which is that you can now earn instant rewards, self-custodial rewards inside the Bitcoin.com wallet app for completing simple tasks like checking the Bitcoin price, which we all love to do, and reading Bitcoin and crypto news right inside the wallet app. When you complete these simple tasks, you'll get paid in Bitcoin.com's tokenverse, which you can then turn around, deposit inside the app, and start earning Bitcoin itself. Currently at nearly 80% APY. This is powered by Threshold Network and TBTC. So one, you get free tokens for using the app, and two, you use those tokens to get free Bitcoin. And if you're not taking advantage of this cool offer, I don't know what to tell you, you're probably not going to make it. But check it out inside the reward center, inside the Bitcoin.com wallet app. To find more details, we'll have some links and stuff in the show notes or replies on X. Okay, let's get into the news of the week. Starting off with Bitcoin's dance around the historic $100,000 USD milestone. So as the price of a single Bitcoin flirts with 100K or 100,000 US freedom bucks, let's reflect for a moment on what this means. So Bitcoin's rise from a cypherpunk experiment 15 years ago to now a viable alternative to government-controlled money and a powerful financial hedge for individuals and institutions alike. It's nothing short of miraculous. So every step from its use as a currency of choice on the dark web, to medium of exchange for the debanked underclass, to speculative investment, and now corporate treasury asset, every step sets the stage for a global adoption and represents a new chapter in this like idea of free market economics. So when Bitcoin finally does hit $100,000, which at this point seems inevitable, remember that it's just another step towards solidifying Bitcoin as the ultimate financial disruptor, and 100K could be just the beginning. So of course, Bitcoin is far from the only crypto in town, and a handful of other coins have been pumping bigly. In fact, so-called dinosaur coins like XLM, DOGE, XRP, and ADA are skyrocketing. XLM is up over 450% in the last 90 days, and Doge close behind at nearly 350%. So interestingly, the altcoin season index is still far from the banana zone territory, sitting at just 39 on the scale of 100 at the time of recording. So is the recent move in certain altcoins a fake out, or are we just about to see a broader move into the altcoin market towards banana zone territory as Bitcoin's momentum seemingly peters out? So you can bet we'll be watching this very closely, so stay with us for more updates. Now, President-elect Donald Trump's crypto portfolio is also making some serious moves as it hits $5.43 million with Ethereum and meme coins in the mix. Despite a dip from its peak value of $31.23 million earlier this year, Trump's holdings mark his embrace of crypto in a historic shift. So speaking of Donald Trump, Tron founder, His Excellency and Liberland Prime Minister Justin Sun has joined Trump-backed World Liberty Financial as an advisor after a $30 million investment, making him its biggest stakeholder. Sun called WLFI a game changer in decentralized finance, aiming to revolutionize banking. With plans for stablecoin, credit cards, and DeFi growth, Sun's expertise could give WLFI a major boost in the crypto space. So someone else who often boosts, the crypto space, at least unintentionally, is Jim Cramer. Now, Mad Money's Jim Cramer is calling Bitcoin a winner over Microstrategy's MSTR. On his show, he called a caller excited about MSTR's growth to skip the stock and go straight for Bitcoin, praising its resilience and tech marvel status. While he seemingly is bullish on Bitcoin now, the crypto world isn't really letting him off so easy. His inverse Cramer meme keeps the laughs going as Bitcoin often defies his predictions. Perennial Bitcoin troll Peter Schiff is stirring the pot once again, claiming that if the US becomes a Bitcoin superpower, it would weaken the economy. So his comments slam President-elect Trump's pro-Bitcoin stance, saying that it's a bad move for America. Crypto supporters fired back, calling his take ridiculous and insane, especially as Trump pushes to make the US a global crypto leader. Schiff's anti-Bitcoin stance keeps ruffling a bunch of feathers as the crypto divide grows, but he's farming clicks, that Peter Schiff. He's a sneaky old bugger. I like him. Over to the UK and the Bitcoin as a national reserve game theory, which has been heating up as Nigel Green, CEO of De Beer Group, is urging the UK to establish a Bitcoin reserve. Inspired by Trump's pro-crypto push in the US, he highlights Bitcoin's ability to boost economic resilience, hedge against inflation, and attract tech innovators. So with the US advancing plans for a national Bitcoin stockpile, including Senator Cynthia Lummis's proposal for the Treasury to hold 1 million BTC, Green warns the UK risks being left far behind. So he calls on Prime Minister Keir to take decisive action, positioning Britain as a leader in the rapidly evolving digital economy. Will the UK step up or watch from the sidelines? I guess we'll find out here. Now, Michael Saylor's Microstrategy just snagged 55,500 more Bitcoin, dropping $5.4 billion to boost his publicly traded company's stash to a total of 386,700 BTC, or nearly 2% of the entire 21 million supply. This solidifies MicroStrategy as by far the largest corporate Bitcoin holder. Also, Mara Holdings, the top publicly traded Bitcoin miner, just raised $1 billion through a 0% convertible note offering and is using most of it to scoop up more BTC. So they bought 5,771 Bitcoins at an average price of 95,554 each, bumping their total reserves to a nearly 34,000 BTC, which is currently worth about $3.4 billion. Not too shabby. Now, over to Asia and South Korea, it's shaken up the crypto world with massive trading volumes. In the last week, volumes doubled on Korea's biggest exchange, Upbit. Interestingly, the main players are DOGE and XRP. It's not Bitcoin, as you might expect. So almost 8 million South Koreans, or about 15% of the population, are active in crypto, with crypto trading often seen as a way to make it in the economy that's been largely stagnant for the last decade. So big news for BitFuFu. The Singapore-based cloud mining company just got added to the FTSE Global Microcap Index. So the milestone shows the growing influence of Bitcoin miners in traditional finance. Now, alongside major players like Bitfarms and Hut8, BitFuFu's entry boosts its visibility and liquidity, signaling more institutional interest in crypto mining businesses. Also, some big news from Japan. Coincheck is making history as the first Japanese crypto exchange to land on Nasdaq. Slated to debut on December 10th, 2024. Beyond being a win for Coincheck, this sets a precedent for other exchanges in Japan and possibly beyond to follow. Now, Coincheck's Nasdaq listing could open the floodgates for global crypto companies to chase similar opportunities. Switching gears, and as El Salvador is positioning itself to become the MicroStrategy of nation states, President Nayib Bukele's rent-a-volcano Bitcoin mining idea, where people can use the country's geothermal energy to mine Bitcoin, could be the next big thing here. Analysts are saying that this could make El Salvador a global pioneer in green Bitcoin mining, harnessing energy from the country's 170 plus volcanoes. While some ecologists raise concerns, the idea is getting some attention with big players like Tether already jumping in on the geothermal action. So over to Ethereum, the Ethereum Foundation just kicked off its first ever Attackathon, offering $1.5 million in prizes for finding weaknesses in Ethereum's protocol. Running until January 2025, this community challenge aims to tighten network security by getting experts to hunt for flaws, with support from Immunify and top projects like Arbitrum, Wormhole, The Graph, GMX, and Base. And results will help improve Ethereum's security, plus some lucky hackers are going to get some big juicy rewards. So also, the largest decentralized exchange DEX platform by volume, Uniswap, has unveiled the biggest DeFi bug bounty ever. Uniswap's offering $15.5 million to lock down its new protocol ahead of its V4 launch. In addition, 1inch, which is another big player in the swap aggregator space, one of the big DeFi platforms, it just launched Fusion Plus, which is a sleek, decentralized tool that promises to make cross-chain swaps faster, safer, and even easier. The new feature tackles common problems in DeFi like security risks and complicated processes, offering a smoother, operator-free experience powered by atomic swaps. Fusion Plus uses MEV protection for safer trades and Dutch auctions for better prices, making sure that your swaps are completed or rolled back safely. Plus, it works across multiple blockchains, meaning users can make trustless, hassle-free transactions all in one go. So it's already processing millions in volume. Fusion is integrated into 1inch's app and wallet, bringing a major upgrade to the DeFi's interoperability game. And for our final story for the week, we have an exciting announcement from Sui. Sui Blockchain is teaming up with Babylon Labs to let Bitcoin holders stake their BTC and get LBTC, a liquid token for Sui's DeFi ecosystem. So it's launching in December. This move could unlock Bitcoin's $1.8 trillion liquidity for lending, trading, and more, with proven success on Ethereum. Sui's DeFi game is about to level up. So, and that's it for this week's blazing crypto highlights. The cryptoverse keeps pushing boundaries and the future's looking very bold and unstoppable. I've been rocking this Free Roger t-shirt. Go visit freerogernow.org. We're giving away t-shirts exactly like these ones. This exact t-shirt, probably not mine. It's probably smelly at this point. Over at Bitcoin Mana 2024, the Bitcoin.com team will be there. We'll have a booth. Come check it out. We'll have swag, we'll have giveaways, and we'll be having some fun just introducing people to Bitcoin.com. And of course, giving away some swag. So come see us. Stay tuned, stay safe, follow along, leave a comment, share this around. We'll see you guys next week.